What is up, guys? Welcome back to another West Angling video. We just got out of Walmart. All I needed was I didn't have any paddle tail swim baits, so I needed about 3.5, 4-inch paddle tail so I can throw on the back of like a chatterbait or something. Let's get out to the lake and let's see what we can make happen. Let's do it. I mean, look at the mouth. Nice. Good first cast. There's a fish. That's gotta be a pike. That's gotta be a pike. Or it's a big bass. Or it's a big bass. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Let's go. It's a decent largemouth. Oh yeah, baby. That's a good fish. Let's go. Come here. That's a good bass. Heck yeah, dude. There we go. It's a healthy largemouth right there. Boom. Yes, an absolute stud. Look at that fish, guys. It's so windy. Throwing that spinnerbait. Oh my gosh. Just a nice pre-spawner. All right, I'm gonna get her back. So the setup we're rocking with today is the 6 cents spinnerbait with the 6 cents Divine swim jig. It's in like a shad color. I honestly forgot what exact color that is, but throwing on the old Shimano Bantam and G-Loomis, and this thing freaking slays. I think we're gonna go with the old Berkeley Slobber Knocker here. It's their version of a chatter. In that fire craw color. Orange and red's always a good option for springtime, so we're gonna really change up the color as well and see what happens. There's a dead bass right there. Looks like it's probably been been a little while. It's all pale. That sucks, but bound to happen when lakes change from ice to open water. Oh, I got hit. I wasn't ready for it. No, come on. I was busy looking at the dead bass. Oh, I got smoked, guys. Shoot. Oh, that sucks. I was not ready for that fish. All right, well, we're gonna get him again. number 3. Is much more clear than the last one. You got over a foot of visibility in this pond. The last pond, I couldn't even see my spinnerbait for a minute until I got it up to the bank. No way. I got a fish. I got a fish. No way. I didn't even set the hook, dude. I didn't even set the hook on him. There's the first fish of the day. Look at how easy that just came out. Oh my gosh, I thought I hit a log. And it's just, I mean, look at how pretty that bass is. Look at him. It's all dark. It's that clear water. Well, there we go. There's the second fish of the video. Another little largie. Back you go, buddy. Little male up shallow. That is funny. All right, no skunk today. We got our fish. There's a fish. Got one. Feels decent. Nope, it's not too big. Oh, he smoked it. Oh. Look at the way he ate that jerkbait. Absolutely T-boned. All right, fish number 3 of the video for spring bass 2025. Back you go, bud. We're about done fishing for the day here. Hasn't been the most exciting last couple days of fishing. You know, the weather's still kind of all over the place. Fishing can be good. Just been kind of slow, but you know, we're just kind of throwing a lot of lures, seeing what the fish will hit. It seems like right now for me, the fish are hitting one lure and then they won't hit it after that. I think I got a fish on right now. I do have a fish on. No way. That's awesome. Holy cow. You just got water in my mouth. Look at how iridescent. Look at how iridescent this fish is. God, the bass in here are just so pretty. Not big, but look at the colors on that guy. That's just a colored up largemouth. Crazy. I'll take it. Let's go. Back you go, buddy. All right. Not a big one, but came on the old Ned head there, California craw. This will be my outro. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Hopefully we can continue to get on some decent bass this year. We started it off with a bang last day, so appreciate you guys for watching. And the plan is right now to do some more river fishing here coming up. So the goal is to try and, you know, each video is different. You know, we're not just doing bass video after bass video. My plan, I'm hoping to get out to the river here soon to catch some sturgeon, hopefully. But yeah, we'll see. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next West New England video. Peace out.